Hi guys, one of the most common doubt when you fill the exam for CAT, CET, all the exams is that is there any age limit or not? The answer question is very simple. No, there's no age limit for any of these exams for MBA entrance exams. Yeah, because a lot of sites claim there's an age limit of 26 to 27. So I've given this example here. For example, I was just trying to fill CAT ka form this year. So date of birth is I can pick up any date, but after 2006 is not allowed. So I cannot take a date after 2006. So 20 minus 6 months, you have to be 14-year-old to give the exam. So anyone who is above 14 years of age, you can give CAT ka exam, CET ka exam easily. And here you can pick up any date on 6. Anyone can apply the form. Suppose let's go back to what 1941. In 1950 पे born होना चाहिए. So January 1951, I can fill CAT ka form easily. So mean a person even with 70 years of age, you can fill the form. So 14 to 70 is a range which is given in the CAT exam. Same way for the CET exam as well, there's no age limit. So any website which says ki there's an age limit, they might be copy pasting the data from the bank PO site, because government exams there's the age limit. Here for MBA entrance exam there's no age limit, because you can do PhD also. Same form is being filled for the PhD also, and in PhD there's no age limit. Yeah, so same way here, there's no age limit. You have to enter the correct name as per your 10-12 certificate. That's the main thing they're asking for. Yeah, and that's your first step. So age limit wise, answer the question is simple. No age limit, everybody can apply. Jab jago tabhi savera. In fact, 33% of the batch at all the IIMs, if I take the average, IIMs, SPJN, Bajaj, FMS, XLRI, 33% of the batch, 30% of the batch is having zero work ex, are all freshers. 40% of the batch have the work ex of 1 year to 2 years. 40%, the maximum janta do MBA. And 30% of the batch have work ex of more than 24 months. 40, 30, 40, 30. Yeah. So you'll find people like you everywhere. So there's no age limit who are going for that. Those who think I'm too old, this and that, guys, if you do your MBA from a good college, top college, you're getting a 20 lakh package. So if you're already earning 15 to 20 lakh package, then make no sense to go for MBA. Otherwise, if you're earning a package of 5-6 lakhs, obviously MBA is the best option you can go for. Yep. So age limit wise, there is no age limit. Anybody can go for CAT, CET, all the exams. Okay. All the best.